Beautifully designed, this custom home is situated on a large lot in North Albany. It's ideally located in a quiet neighborhood, a serene private setting, close to parks, schools, and with an easy commute to Salem or Corvallis. It also includes a large shop with an apartment above for potential dual living. Heading inside, discover cherry maple hardwood floors, walls of windows, vaulted ceilings, and spacious living areas in this home of more than 2,800 square feet. The kitchen features Corian countertops, abundant custom cabinets, and breakfast bar seating. French doors open to the den or office. Entertain in the formal dining room, accented with beautiful built-ins. The main floor master suite is an inviting space with an elegant coved ceiling. The master bath features dual vanities and a relaxing jetted tub. On the upper level, a large loft area is ready for any number of uses. And you'll find 2 more large bedrooms, plus another full bath. The tranquil setting is perfect for gathering on the front or back decks, surrounded by mature landscaping. The apartment is complete with a kitchen, bathroom, and laundry, in addition to the 30 by 30 foot shop. A fantastic opportunity in North Albany. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information, please contact TJ Garber with Premier Property Group.